Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're a subscriber by now. If not, please hit the bell icon right now. Big brain time. INI-CET पे focus करूँ या NEET PG पर? So it depends on a lot of factors. I will be discussing. I've jotted some points down and I'll be scrolling through them and then discussing कि क्या करना चाहिए, किस पे focus करना चाहिए, किस पे नहीं focus करना चाहिए. So if your goals are say a JIPMER, a AIMS, a PGI Chandigarh, or say NIMHANS, you want to get into top institutes, you want to get into research work, top cutting edge technology, AIMS or JIPMER, INI-CET is something that you should focus on and give repeated attempts. It is very very crackable, 100% doable है, बहुत ही predictable exam है, as I've mentioned earlier. Also the perk being 2 बार होता है साल में, डेट फिक्स रहती है, डेट चेंज नहीं होती. विद नीट पीजी यू आर नेवर श्योर अबाउट व्हाट विल हैपन. सो नीट पीजी गिव्स यू एंट्रीज टू GMCs, it gives you entries to DNB institutes, right? So DNB institutes are government held seats, fees are fixed at 1.25 lakh per annum with a good patient flow, and what's the catch? Private hospitals, government seat, all right? The seat is allotted by the AIQ quota only. Okay? So ask yourself, if you want to get into research, if you want to do academics a lot, you want to get into competitive environment, then get into the INI-CET exam, get into the, what do I call it, AIMS का एग्जाम का प्रिपेयर करो. लेकिन अगर कहीं भी जाने के लिए तैयार हो, यू आर गोइंग टू सेटल विथ वट एवर रैंक यू गेट, देन आपको जाना चाहिए नीट पीजी के लिए, बिकॉज सीट्स अच्छी खासी हैं इसके अंदर. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट पॉइंट बीइंग, कहाँ है आपकी प्रिपरेशन अभी. ठीक है. You have to evaluate your preparation. If you are good with first year, second year and clinical things, image based questions you like, then INI-CET is the exam to go for. If you are reading thoroughly but broad syllabus सब कुछ cover कर रहे हो overall, NEET PG is something you want to look at, right? So INI-CET, as I mentioned earlier, twice every year. second week of May में अभी scheduled है. NEET PG का डेट अभी तक 15th जून का है. You never know, 14th नाइट को भी चेंज हो सकता है, as it happened last year. So you never know. So कंपटीशन की बात करूं अगर मैं, बहुत लिमिटेड सीट है INI-CET के अंदर. ठीक है. जनरल कैटेगरी के हो तो आपको टॉप 500 रैंक के अंदर ही आना पड़ता है, कोई अच्छी खासी सीट उठानी है तो. बट बिलीव मी, इट इज डूएबल. It requires a process, and if you go through that process, if you are willing to go through that process, then it is definitely doable. All right. So this is what we will focus on. If you want to start your preparation, if you want to prepare for the INI-CET or the NEET PG exam, come to us. We help you, we guide you, we support you. This is my WhatsApp number 9116324253. If you come to me and if you prepare with me, I'm going to support you. I'm going to take you to that level where you are going to crack the coveted government college seat, even if you are at zero right now. Even if you are a backbencher, a private medical college student, had no success any time in your life, but now are ready to prepare, then this is the place to come to. Iconic is the place to come to, and I'm going to help you. Okay? So the last suggestion is, attempt both exams. Don't get burnt out by the INI-CET exam date. बहुत ज़्यादा इसके पास आके आपको सब कुछ छोड़ के ये नहीं पढ़ने बैठ जाना. Take it part of your process. If you are not focusing on the INI-CET exam, it's a milestone on the way. But prepare well, attempt it seriously. Do not take it for granted. 100% results are there to see for people. You also have to do it and you will get the results. My number is already shared. Revise the important topics before the exam for the INI-CET exam, closer to the exam. ठीक है. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल से बायोकेमिस्ट्री के अंदर मॉलिक्यूलर बायोलॉजी हो गया, ग्लूकोसअमीनोग्लाइकन्स हो गया. सो नीश टॉपिक्स हैं INI-CET के, आई हैव शेयर्ड अर्लियर ऑल्सो. उनको प्रिपेयर करो एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट. दिस इज माई कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर वंस अगेन. हाई सर, आई नीड गाइडेंस. इतना सा मैसेज करो बस मुझे, 9116324253. Hi sir, I need guidance. इतना सा WhatsApp करो, I'll reach out to you shortly. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. All the very best to all. Love you all.